Well, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to force close an application that's not working on your Amazon Fire TV stick. So I'm just going to press the home button, return to the home screen, go all the way to the right, go on down and go to applications. Now in here we can go to manage installed applications, and we can go to the application we're having an issue with, and then go to force stop. Go to clear cache right here, and then go to launch application. And that should fix it. Now if you go to clear data, this is going to remove your email address and your login credentials. So you can go and do this, and you'll have to re-sign in with your password. Well, hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSix Studios.